What's going on, my beautiful people? Richard Harrison here. In this video, I want to do a RoboCalls profits review video. If you haven't heard of it, this is a system that teaches you how to earn daily from the annoying robocalls that you get. Now, if you're like me, you're getting several of those calls per day from insurance companies, people trying to give you extended warranties, trying to give you loans, just whatever the case may be. You're getting these numbers, and the truth is you either turning your phone down or you're turning your phone off or you're blocking these numbers and things like that. And that's what I used to do, okay, was block the numbers. Every time one come up, it'll say spam or telemarketer or whatever. I would block that number. Well, the other weekend, over the weekend, I was looking at some videos on YouTube, about robocalls, and I don't know why, but I was watching those videos. And some up-to-date ones, just kind of watching them to see what it is, what's happening with these robocalls and all of this. And plus, I had put my name on the, the non-registered, non-call list, national non-call list as well. And so I was watching these videos, and I was going to trying to find a way to purchase something, because I had saw years ago where people actually making money from these calls, and things like that. And I thought, well, how are they doing it? It has to be some kind of training or something, okay, that actually teaches. So as I was watching the videos, yes, there is a training. But then as I was scrolling Facebook, this just happened to pop up called RoboCall Profits, okay? And I was like, it's funny how I was watching the videos about it over the weekend, and then all of a sudden, here it is now. This pops up in my inbox, by a young lady, that I kind of keep up with in the biz industry. And so I got to looking into it, and I thought, well, maybe this is a good one, that has some things that I liked about it and training in here. Okay, so I wanted to share that with you so you can actually look at what we're doing. But I just say, if you're sick and tired of getting these annoying phone calls, let me give you a piece of advice right now. Do not block these calls. Do not delete the calls, because there's something you can do to start earning anywhere from $500 up to $1,500 or even more from these people who are calling you. And if you know how to do it correctly, you can get money from that. And if you want to do the affiliate side of it, you can do that as well. Okay, so keep that in mind. Answer the calls. Let's get it all. That's what I like to say with this. Answer the calls. Let's get it all. No more blocking them. You're going to answer them. You're going to get some information. You're going to find out where they're at, and you're going to send them the letters. That's it. But we're going to show you how to do it. So let's go ahead on and get rocking right now. So here we are right now on the RoboCall Profits website, and it's just a simple little site that explains things. Keep it real simple so you can make a decision whether or not this is for you. Turn illegal robocalls into profit. Companies that call you illegally owe you money. We give you the exact system to collect in 9 countries worldwide. These are the countries over here in one system that you can get access to. So if you are in any of these countries and you're watching this video, you can use this in order to earn from those telemarketers, those spam calls, the robocalls that you're getting. So this is 9 countries supported, AI case builder, instant commission payout, 24/7 limited lifetime access. So here's how it works. You log the call, record the details of every illegal call. We find them, research tools, locate the company that's inside of the system. I'm going to take you in there. Send the letters. AI generates your demand letter. Get paid, collect under your country's laws. So stop ignoring free money and start the quiz. So they do have a compensation plan, an affiliate part to this. So we're going to look at that before we go into the back office. This is the affiliate side, how you get paid, the simple, most powerful compensation plan. Keep pass, then 100% forever. So this is the compensation plan. You purchase a RoboCall Profits system for $100 lifetime access, pay $25 fee, unlock your referral link. The first sale you keep, which is $100 to your Cash App, Zelle, or Venmo. The second one you're going to pass up. Okay. The third one, the second one, pass up to your sponsor, earn from your work, just like you earn from your team. So this is gonna happen to you if you decide to share it. Sale 3, you keep it. This sale is yours to keep, another 100 in your pocket. The fourth one is a pass up. After this, you're qualified. And then on sale 5, you keep 100% forever. You're qualified. Every sale from now on is your 100% yours. Plus, you receive pass up from your entire team. Okay, so quick summary: 100% commission, keep every dollar. Sales, no splits, no waiting. Keep pass. Keep 1, pass 2, keep 3, pass 4, then you keep forever. Member to member pay, direct payments, cash, Zelle, or Vimeo same day. Unlimited depth, or receive pass ups from your entire dial line. Okay, so you recruit 10 people, each pass up 2 sales, and 20 pass up sales time 100 is $2,000 just from your first level pass up. Now imagine that recruits do the same. The pass up keep flowing from every qualified person in your organization. Okay, so in order to get started, you're simply going to click on start the quiz, or you can click down here and get started now. Okay, so take the quiz. Once you take the quiz, you're going to select the country that you're in, whichever one that you're in. Just say United States, and how many robocalls you get per week. Be honest and answer that. If you get 15 or 15 plus or more, or if you just get 3. So we're just going to keep it conservative. We're going to say 4 to 7. Okay. We're going to let it do what it do. How long have you been on the do not call registry? You're not on it yet. Less than a month, 1 to 6 months. I've been on it for now going on a month. Okay, so I'm going to say 1 to 6 months. Do you currently answer robocalls? Never, sometimes, usually, always. I usually answer them, or sometime answer them. So I'm going to put usually, and this is your estimated earnings, okay, per month potential. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see my name here. Okay, make sure I'm here, and you create your account, and then you're going to sign up. So let's go on into the review of the actual back office now. So here we are inside of the back office. You're going to be able to watch your training here. You're over here on the left. You'll see your dashboard, the affiliate section, leads, and all of this information over here. If you're in a different country, you're able to switch it up here. But under the dashboard, you can start watching the training. Now, the only way you're going to get access to this, okay, is that you are going to have to be a part of the affiliate program and send me cash. Okay, let's keep it real. I do earn affiliate commission with this, so I want you to know that. Okay, there is an affiliate program. You do not have to do it if you don't want it. If you just want to do, the letters, then hey, that's cool. That's what you do. But you have an option to do the affiliate program as well. Okay, so watch the training. You're going to click watch the training. You're going to skip down to here. Okay, so we have the training here. So let's go back to the dashboard. We're just going to walk through this. In case you want to become an affiliate, you can click here to become an affiliate. This is where you're going to see, all of your information, set up how you want to get paid. You can do another payment right here. They got Cash App, Zelle, Vimeo, PayPal, and you have a custom there. You see your qualification and pass up and things like that. So you'll see what's happening down here in the affiliate section. And you're able to manage your subscription here as well. You can see your leads, okay? I just joined this yesterday, so I don't have any leads right now. I'm just not starting to promote this, but you can see your leads. This is where you're going to see your training, okay? You want to watch the videos, okay? You have all of the reading right here, how it works, and your earning potential and everything right here as well. So you have all of that. Then you got the next chapter. This is where you're going to set up everything. You do not call registration, setting up a dedicated phone lines, essential tools and equipment, understanding the laws. Then on the next chapter, you're going to have documentation violations. Okay. The art of answering robocalls, what to document for each call. All of that information is there for you. Company research targeting, you're going to have that information here. Videos, demand letter requests, all of that here. Everything you need in order to make this work is going to be in here for you. And I know that you know some people who are, getting robocalls every day as well. You can share this with them and help them as well get out of, start earning some extra income with this. Okay, full side hustle, full-time income, how to do it. Okay, how to make more money with the calls, the affiliate program, how the comp plan works, becoming a licensed affiliate. Okay, and then you have marketing your referral link, how to do it here. So we give you that, advanced strategies, FFC compliance as leverage, multi-violation striking, building recurring income streams, and things like that. So then you have legal consideration, knowing your rights. So all of this is here for you. You have the leaderboard, you have a call log. I have set up one of the call logs from that I have received some information from. I even saved that voicemail on my phone, so I still have that. You'll see all the companies here from the different states and things like that. You have letters here. You can create your demand letters in here. And the settlements that you have, you can put them in here. You can add settlements. The guide, you simply have a guide right here that you can actually work. And then you have AI assistance and things like that that's going to help you. Then, of course, your profile. So this is a tight little system. Now, this is not all you're going to get access to, because inside of the Facebook, we have the group here as well, the chat group that you're going to be a part of as well. So you come in here, I am a part of this chat group. If I scroll down through here, okay, and I am posting about this. I've only made one post, but I'm going to get deeper into this, and I'm going to be using the Home Business Academy's tools in order to run this. Okay, so just know that. So let me get on down through here somewhere. Let me pause it till I find it. So I actually skipped over. So this is the post that I made. So I am making posts, and you will be added to this chat group as well. So if I go back over here to the post, it's just a simple text post that I made, people asking and inquiring for information. Okay, so not only that, but you're going to get access to the group as well. So inside this group, now we get serious. Hey, everything you need is inside of here. You're going to have help along the way. So if you're ready to get started, go ahead, click the link that's in the description below. Watch the videos, okay? See that this is for real, because this has been going on for a while. This is just a fresh take on it right here. So you want to get started as soon as possible, because this is catching fire right now. A lot of people are seeing what's happening. So if you want to do it, click the link in the description, like this video, share this video with your family member, hey, who are sick and tired of robocalls, even if you're not. But if you're ready to get started, click the link in the description. I will see you on the inside. Have a great day today and a better day tomorrow. Peace.